Go.
Okay, today is March 3, year 2024. We're here in Palo, Alto, in Baras, Rizal. I'm going to fly my Protos 500. Okay, let's fly. Yeah, tabi-tabi ha.
Today it's March 3 and Elion is flying his Protos helicopter RC. And now as you can see the helicopter, oh, it's doing its thing. Oh no, it's gonna crash. Oh no, oh no. Oh, it's too windy. Oh no, it's going to crash. It's going to crash. Oh, good thing that Elion, the great pilot he is, was able to save the helicopter Protos RC. And now he's trying to land. He's trying to land even on a windy day. And here you go, ladies and gentlemen, the flight of the Protos. He's trying his best to land the helicopter. It's too windy in this mountainous area, and we're on the plains. And there you go, it's another fast, low pass by the helicopter. Oh my God, our hearts are pounding, ladies and gentlemen. Our hearts are pounding watching this Protos RC. Oh, there. So, ladies and gentlemen, the wind is blowing more softly now. Okay, and he's able to control. Oh no! There's another one! Oh no! Oh no! Elion, come on, be careful! Be careful! Land it! Oh, the wind is blowing again, ladies and gentlemen, because of the turbulence. Oh, you landed, you crazy pilot! You landed immediately now, or else you're gonna have some broken helicopter to bring home. Okay. Oh, you're not going to land? You crazy pilot. So there you go. Oh, the tail is twitching. Oh, what are you doing? As you can see, I will give you a 360-degree of this place where we are flying right now, but I cannot keep my eyes off that crazy helicopter. We have just camped here last night, yesterday, for a camp and fly gimmick that we had since yesterday. Yeah, some of our friends rode their motorcycle, some brought their 4x4, and there's my car and our tent. Oh, landing mo na yan. Di ako makapag-narrate eh. Oh. Okay, it's about to land. And finish his sortie. Even with the windy day, heli day, camping day. But the wind is nice and cool, refreshing, with all the trees and the mountains. There are very nice mountain. It's a nature pack. Nature pack place.
Okay, that's about it.
Okay.
Thank you!
Okay. That's about it now.
Yata ako nagbibihis eh.
Oh.
Ayun na!
Oh. Okay. That's one for the crazy pilot. That's about it.
The easy, the easy.
Oh, easy.